Video we are going to see about parallel in parallel out shift register. What is a shift register? It is a register which is capable of shifting the binary information from one flip-flop to the other. That is, we can shift the data one by one from one flip-flop to the other. So this is the input data and this is the output data. There are different types of shift register: serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel in, serial out. All these things we have already seen in the previous 3 videos, and in this video we are going to see about the parallel in, parallel out shift register. What is this parallel in? Input is parallel, output is also parallel. So that is parallel in, parallel out shift register. So you can give the data input in parallel and output is also taken parallelly. So this is very easy, simple construction. You can remember this one, toll gate. So we enter the toll gate in parallelly and we can also come out parallelly. So this parallel in, parallel out shift register is also called as a storage register or buffer register. This circuit diagram is very simple because you take a flip-flop, give the input and you tap the output at the same flip-flop itself. So this is the parallel in, parallel out shift register. What the different types of shift register and compare it. First, we have seen about serial in, serial out shift register. So the input in represents input and out represents output. Serial in means the input is given in a serial manner. So one bit will enter, then next clock cycle the second bit will enter the flip-flop. And in third clock cycle the third bit will enter. So like this the input data will be given serially bit by bit, and output is also taken from the last flip-flop bit by bit. So this is the serial in, serial out. In serial in, parallel out, both serial in and serial out are almost same, except that in serial in, parallel out you have a tappings here. Okay, you can see the intermediate stage. So that is the serial in, parallel out. So input is given serially, same as the previous case. Here the output is taken parallelly. That is the output of each flip-flop is taken out. So this is the difference between serial in, serial out and serial in, parallel out. Next we have parallel in, serial out. This is completely different from the other types. So here the input is given parallelly. That is, input we are giving it parallelly. At the same time all the 4-bit data is given, but you are taking the output one bit by bit. So it is completely different from the other type. So here you have to take care of two things. First, you have to load the data. So loading the data takes place parallelly. So all the flip-flops will be loaded with the data. Then you have to do shifting operation and take the input data outside bit by bit serially. So this circuit will be quite different from the other types. Next we have parallel in, parallel out. So parallel in, parallel out is the simplest configuration where you can give the input here and you take the output at every flip-flop. If you like the video, do subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle channel, and if you want a detailed explanation, you can refer to this website. Apart from digital electronics, you can also find the material for power electronics, solid state drive, circuit theory and basic electrical engineering in this channel. If you have any queries, you can mail me at readelectricvehicle@gmail.com. Thank you.